back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this look with the ColourPop and Shayla collaboration. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. All right, right off the bat, this is the main, I feel like this is the main event. This is absolutely gorgeous palette. It is loved on very roughly. These are very one of a kind. I've never had anything similar to this formulation as far as how they were pressed. They're absolutely pigmented on from the glitters towards the mattes. I love the fact that it has a mirror, which is so important. A lot of people don't see how serious that is to have a mirror. Also, I love that the colors have names on them as well on the actual palette. The first color is Unbothered. It did pull sort of a kind of a peachy shift to it. Very gorgeous color for your inner tear dots. The next color is TF, a super gorgeous gold, like a true gold. The next color is Titus. Oh, it's a beautiful, it just reminds me of his fur, and I wonder if, I'm pretty sure Shayla wanted that detail. It's a duochrome color. It is gray and sort of has a kind of like a bluish to peach shift. Stallion, beautiful black and blue with a blue reflex color. Very, very gorgeous. I wish I'd used that. For the next row, Spill the Tea. That one is right here on this part of my eyes. It seems like a really true rose gold, but a lighter version. Diva, really pretty color. It was more on the neck and neck of both being gold and rose gold. Super pretty color. I did notice a peach shift, which is why I thought it was more rosy. IE, gorgeous emerald green color. I cannot wait to use it. I love emerald green so much. Super excited about having that in this palette. Number 14, you guys know I love the number 4, so you know how I feel about the number 14. Really gorgeous royal blue shade. Very true royal blue. The next row is Strut and Slay. This color is on the outer folds of my eye. Now this one is more of a true rose gold compared to the Spill the Tea. It's more deeper. Super beautiful shade. Very nicely pressed. I didn't find much of any issues working with this color. Culture, really beautiful beginning transition shade. Sort of a muted peach brownish shade. Okay, so Sassy is another duochrome shadow, which is more of a bluish kind of purple shift. September, really gorgeous magenta color. This color is absolutely beautiful. Revenge is sort of like a scarlet true red. It pulls more on the orangey side. This color is used in my inner crease. Thick, really gorgeous orange shade. Very true orange, like a very vibrant and bright shade. Then we have Played Out, which it did remind me of the shade she had in her City Mini, her collection with Maybelline. It looks very similar, but I find that Played Out is a little bit darker. So I see a central theme that Shayla loves, that transition shade. The next color is actually called Shade, and that one is a beautiful magenta color. Super, super gorgeous. Very beautiful, vibrant, true brownish red. I love the name Perception. I love the meaning behind it. I also love the material of the actual packaging. I love that it also says the names on the back. Brands, take notes. This is so important. Next up, I have the 3 lipstick shades from ColourPop and Shayla collaboration. I have one in Ooh, which is a peachy, very nice, bright pinky peach. Love this color. It is so beautiful. I have one in Come On Sis, which is, it reminded me a lot of the It's My Riri color shade that she came out with B&H, but the formulation is obviously totally different. These are the Luxe lipsticks by ColourPop. So they're very formulated, very creamy, very vibrant in color. I did use Quickie on my lips. It does look like a very beautiful, sort of a peachy, kind of dark muted brown shade. Absolutely gorgeous. The color payoff is amazing. And then we have the 2 highlighter shades from ColourPop and Shayla. This one is in Boomin' and then one in Pose. I found that Pose was obviously the lighter of the 2. It seems more of a gold, but more of a greenish gold. I know that golds are very tricky, but this one actually pulls on the yellow to green side. I'm not mad at that. I obviously love any type of gold. And then for Pose, another beautiful shade. This is a rose gold highlighter just off the bat, just looking at it. Very, very pigmented. Again, with these loose highlighters, they aren't my favorite in a sense that I don't have a huge variety and like a huge collection of them. Challenge me to work with something different, and I love being exposed to new things. So love the fact that this is a loose highlighter. So this is the gloss from the Shayla and ColourPop collection. This is in the shade Neat Freak. It does sort of have both pink and peach reflex in it. Love this as a topper. Love this on its own. I did find that when it mixed in, it sort of made my lipstick look a little orange, which I'm not mad about. So definitely an absolute must. So that is the entire collection. All right, so we're already contoured and highlighted and ready to go. So let's start off with the eyeshadow look. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more powder so we can catch any of that fallout. I've been told that these eyeshadows are extremely pigmented and they're very finely milled and pressed. So I'm expecting some fallout, so to be expected. So now I'm going to immediately go in with Culture on a Sigma E40 brush, and we're gonna pop that right into our crease. So now I'm going to be taking Revenge on a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go deeper into that crease right there. So now we're going to take our Select Cover Up in NW45 and our Morphe S4 brush, and we're just going to do a slight carving of the crease. I'm going to look directly up. So that's where we're going to put our shadow. So we only put that on the very top of our eye, right of our pupil. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the Fix Plus and a Morphe Art 42 brush, and we're just going to spray this briefly. And now we're going to pick up Strut and Slay from the Shayla palette. We're going to pat that right over that color. Alright, so far with the eyeshadow look, I think that maybe my brush is too wet, but it's not picking up most of the Strut and Slay on one swipe. I did find myself having to pack the pigment. I think that's just, again, how they were pressed. So far, I do like the color payoff. It is absolutely beautiful. So now I'm going to go in with Spill the Tea, which is another rose gold, and I'm just taking a naked brush. I just love these flat shader brushes for packing on pigment. I'm going to wet this a little bit further and see if it will come out a little bit better. I know you're probably wondering why I didn't put Select Cover Up on the complete eye. I did want to see what they look like under the Select Cover Up and without it. So that's why. So I went ahead and tight lined with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, just the Blackest Black, and just simply a Sigma flat liner brush. Went under that waterline, blinked, and so it could transfer. Popped on my lashes, so now I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we're going to go into the highlighting. All right, so now I'm just going to dust off the excess. All right, and so now for the super fun part. Using the highlighters once again. I don't know which one would work better on me. Well, let me see. I feel like y'all know I'm going to do the lighter of the highlight, so you know what? I'm going to do the other one. Now I'm going to take Pose with the It's Memory number 5 brush. You know this is one of my favorite highlighting brushes. Shake that off a little bit because I'm kind of scared. I'm a little scared. I don't know what to expect. Oh, yes. Shayla, you didn't have to snap like this. This is gorgeous. Shayla, what other secrets you sitting on over there? This is absolutely gorgeous. I am so shook. So now to finish off the eye look, I'm going to go back in with Revenge. And I'm just taking this on a Morphe M506 brush. We're just going to get as close as we can to that actual lash line. And then to really smoke it out, we're going to take Play It Out from the palette with the same brush. I'm going to dust off the excess because this looks really pigmented so far. And then to finish off the lower lash line, we're going to take MAC Giga Lash. Alright, now that the eyes are done, we're going to move on to lips. I already went ahead and lined my lips with Cork. I'm not going to show you that part because the state that that Cork is in. Y'all are going to judge me, but I'm so cheap. I'm on my way to buy another one as we speak, though. We're going to take a little bit of Quickie. I'm going to put a little bit right here. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Gloss by Shayla, and this one is in Neat Freak. All in all, I think the collection is absolutely gorgeous. Shayla, you did an amazing job picking out the colors, ColourPop with the formulation. I think that I can go on record saying this is one of the best collaborations that I've seen from ColourPop thus far. The color selection is gorgeous. I am super proud of you, Shayla. I think this collection truly shows all of your hard work, and it just seems like it was such an extensive process, from the packaging, which is very detailed, to the fact that it actually has a mirror, which is amazing, to the details of the names actually being on the packaging. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video review. So if you're interested in anything like it or any other content from me, please comment, like, and subscribe below. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.